Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of the software, the TradeRinger. So what you do is you log into your VPS, and first of all, if you have the old versions of TradeRinger here in your desktop, you're going to want to send those to the trash. So just get rid of those. Go to your Google. Just go, get on the internet, go to economy.com, log in to your account, and then you're going to go to support. You're going to go to resources, TradeRinger setup, and right here, download the software to your VPS. So you click download file. You open this up here, and you just highlight all three of these. Yeah, or just two of them. You don't need all three, just either one. You want to copy. Now you can log out. You can even log out of your economy. Go back to your desktop here and paste. Now you have the latest version here. So you open up your trading account and you're going to go here. Actually, the first thing you want to do is if your trading account is open, you want to close it. You want to completely close your trading account and then reopen it. Once it's reopened, you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder. Oh, I'm sorry. Before you do that, I need to come back here and I need to copy this one. This is the one that just looks like a blank sheet of paper. This is the actual software. Then you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts. You're going to take the old one and just delete it. You can delete everything in here. And you're going to paste the new one. And it's going to say whatever version it is, it's going to tell you the new one right here. So you exit out, and you have to come over here and right click or double tap if you have a Mac and click refresh. Now you have to grab the second file, which is right here, copy it, go to File, Open Data Folder, and MQL4 Libraries. Delete the old one. Now this is going to come up right here. It says the action can't be completed because it's open. So what you do is you just cancel, you exit out, and you just close out the entire trader altogether. Then you reopen it and try it again. File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Libraries, delete the old one. Now you'll be able to paste the new one. Now, you notice the TradeRinger is gone. It's nowhere on the charts. So you just have to take the TradeRinger, the new one, drag it to the charts. Your inputs, you should already have your default settings. And you just click OK. Now right here it's a little bit different because now it's asking for your email address and your password of economy. So you type that in and you click login. And that's really the only difference, and you are set. You're ready to go.